Let's talk to them.
Hello, Sangmala Chandreshtile. Ani Mixigi, Taringayla, Dela, Tsikang Chini Shinetoso, Tambo dela, Ani Hazuri, Ani, Pegajumi Manitilla, Penala Kadu Segu, Kadu Nyam de Jogi, Ani Zambulinga, Kodope, Payage, Ani Language Samge, Ani Mixigi Tanamazo, Tanda Pema Kungola Zubegani, Azubina, Tandama Minchi, Pema Watcher. 아니 정말로 타번에 링크를 repeating toji channels lan share ani Canada ani language dente ani ngazo capture la dinge Toronto da Canada zamai be zamulin kangsala ani mikbe yago chida semshu pareda ngazo dela barakang mashiyo mare barakang di gari language chimbu shu jiyor thanda yongdong la isungzo begi kadu di Nyon devadi, ani Zambalingi Hagu Yorete, in a Manzula Mixi Lingi Harriolana, Maza Dende Kadu Nyan the Shah, Canas Tongumindwe. Manza Dende Penala, Kule me Jada Tujuri Meseta, the Tawasama Marwa. Suzugira, Sugun Lutan, Suzuki, they sacrificed their life for the cause of Tibet. What does that, represent? They are strangling and under the Chinese occupation. Sangmarwa dupunyande dupunyangi mena solo tangmarwa che yindi ane tanda kyanambagi lengi dende tsamba dela ngazo jaji mema sangmala ane semgi te goya jire semgi do ane tanda ngazo Toronto mema tonda mongbo yorete ine dela petunge ye ane mimbo ngabju tujuji de pedo ane sangma penge dizule ane yin taba ne tuji ches ane maung bayine kunzegi ani mikbe tengyo dela ani jesu yinanda ani soso dibla nyamsho chiro na sala nge bigi shinge thoso an thaden gyawr mje kuzi tilo temba da ani pege denda de ani nyodo sevege ani mendun che ani nye yang kyardo ani ngaran soba ani dogam chushi gandu gi chapshu de changmala nim taba ne tuji chena so ni she maung ba ne lengyu dende kham mama ani mimang we ne ani chamro nas Ani mimang ne dende language dizo tegas ngazo does Tibet matters to you right ngazo phede kirala kheba do medo ngazo phede tegas Facebook la chimse ne timota ya marwa chesa ngazo single doesn't make a difference to you or are you indifferent right ngazo ra phena la kange khazing yang de do phena kange yang de simple this gujaro the temna te tizijle sha samge do ra Manzo dia cheza chungza ki chapsi chunji bola ani go yamade chero manzo mik chel tang manzo pede di kapja hanas tang godo manzo shoge ne ya la ni manzo pede ki kor di ro manzo kabe she khazu chugodo pena dugu do yo khaza neja thonggodo neja you don't have to go far in history 1959 the counts of Kashila history chai gire ima ine Neja ngazo de they cannot even take the photographs of Dalai Lama. If China considers Tibet as part of China, they should, give, they should maintain or they should respect the human rights. What is human rights? Human rights is a free expression. Human right is to be able to worship, to be able to have faith in people that they want to have faith. Human rights, human Tibet belongs to Tibet belongs to China. How does it belong to? Tibet belongs to Tibet. Tibet belongs to Tibetans. So you have to respect the human rights of Tibetans. Human rights respect each person has a responsibility to spread awareness about Tibet, how much suffering is being, borne by these Tibetans under the Chinese regime. So I take this opportunity on behalf of myself and my organization, how grateful I am that you are taking such an initiative. You are taking this initiative and it's an inspiration for a lot of us. You are setting a very good example of how our movement should keep running, until Tibet attains its freedom. So thank you very much once again for doing what you are doing for the cause of Tibet. Keranzogira, dene soso lega danda le sasre. Manche sangma hagura. Ko number sura danda kena rally nishre marda. They just came few years ago. But they have the guts and audacity to do something for Tibet. They have this motivation and the dedication to spread awareness about Tibet. So we should take example from them. Thank you very much once again. Thank you so much.